Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my favorite wig. You guys have been asking me so much about this hair and just where I got it from, how I style it, what I do with it. So first I want to say thanks to IGK and JHD, also Sephora, for sponsoring this video. Thanks for keeping the lights on, guys. Really appreciate it. And I'm just going to be showing you, kind of demoing how I kind of create like different styles with it. It's pretty versatile. I still am trying to learn how to have that whole 360 look. Like, as far, it is a 360 wig, it's like full lace, but I still just don't know how to like work this back area back here. So once I figure that out, girl, we're gonna be out here with ponytails up here. Like, it's gonna be real cute. I won't be showing how I apply this. If you guys want to see a video like that, I can definitely show you guys a video on how I apply it. If you guys like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's go ahead and just get into this tutorial now. So right now I'm going to take the IGK Mistress Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. This is like a light gel kind of conditioner, and it's just going to help keep away those flyaways and the frizziness of when I actually straighten the hair. So I'm going to thoroughly run that through all of the ends and through the top of the hair. So I'm going to start from the bottom and kind of work my way up, and then I'm going to take the Call Time Setting Primer, and this is like a good primer to use before you blow dry and straighten your hair. I'm just going to spray that all the way through the hair very thoroughly, and then I'm going to take my brush and brush that through, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and start to blow dry the hair. It's pretty self-explanatory. GK and GHD collaborated on a holiday set that they have available in Sephora, and it comes with a paddle brush, a flat iron, which is the GHD Platinum Plus, and then it comes also with these hair clips that are super bomb and some IGK products that I'm gonna talk about in this video. It also has this silicone cap for the flat iron to keep it protected, which is really awesome too. So I'm gonna show you guys how I flat iron my wig and how bomb this flat iron is. Okay, so I'm just going to brush through my wig. It's still kind of like curly at the bottoms, kind of tangly at the bottoms, and I'm just gonna clip it away from my hair and just section off the part that I want to flat iron. And as you guys can see, it's a little still like bent at the ends. So I'm just going to show you guys. It's a one pass through flat iron. It's so bomb. And it actually like kind of has this technology that like knows how much heat that needs to be applied to the hair. It's really cool. And it just gives it like this silky nice texture. It's really bomb. I'm gonna take this IGK Beach Club spray, and it's just a texturizing spray, but it's gonna keep my flyaways down. And then I'm gonna take the IGK First Class spray, and it's a dark charcoal dry shampoo spray, and it's just going to give me a little volume in the top of my hair. Done spraying that, I'm just going to brush through my hair, and it's pretty much done. It's so bomb. I love this stuff. It's really good. And then the second style, I just started doing this recently because I like to wear hats, and this is like a simple style to like wear with a hat, but you can wear it without a hat too. I'm just taking the little front pieces, like little flyaways you should say, or like bangs parts. I'm just taking those parts and then taking the longer pieces and kind of putting them behind my ear. And then I'm just going to keep sectioning off those front parts on the left side, and then I'm going to move on to the right side and do the same exact thing. And this is just kind of like creating like a nice effortless look, I guess you could say, like an effortless flyaway hair, like you didn't really try type of look. And I'm just going to pull that back into a pony since my hair is cut off. I can't do ponytails anymore, but I'm just going to pull that back into a pony, and then I'm going to flat iron the front parts. Again, using my JDH flat iron, the Platinum Plus, I'm just going to take that and just kind of like swoop back the flyaways and give it just a little bit of character, a little bit of sass. And now that's finished, we have ourselves a little ponytail with some little bang-ish flyaways, whatever you want to call it. And then as I turn around, it looks very natural in the back actually, which was really surprising to me because it actually looks like a ponytail, you know? So this is the third style. This is one of my favorites ones to do. It's super simple, super simple. I just like to add a little bit of curl to the bottom of my hair, so like kind of effortless. I love all of my looks that I do with this wig are just, I want them to look like I don't try too hard. So I'm just going to curl my hair with the JDH Platinum Plus flat iron. I'm just going to create some cute little curlies at the bottom. And this is a very, very simple hairstyle. Just take the flat iron, flip it as if you're curling something, and you got yourself a curl. I just wanted to show you guys how I really was doing it because you couldn't really see it in the beginning. So I'm just taking the flat iron and flipping it around, creating a curl. And it's really super simple, super easy. I kind of like this hairstyle because it just looks, like I said, effortless. And I like just having that like nice little curl at the bottom of my hair. And just like I said, I'm just going to continue to do those steps and then show you guys how it looks in the back. It's so pretty, just like nice, effortless, curly hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to check down the links below for all the products that I use in this video. And I hope to see you guys next time in the next one. Bye, guys.